I'm so sleepy.
Don't think about it, man.
It woke me up. What are I gonna do today?
Oh, we're gonna have so much fun.
Where? What time is it?
I don't know. Que se los quite los crudos y... Ahorita te digo.
Creo que tú, güey, el único.
Yo creo que sí.
This nigga is the only person I know that would be down to walk around the whole freaking campsite and try to join every freaking carne asada and every party there was. This was tripping.
You guys weren't down. Oh. It's wet.
He's wet. So what are we gonna do?
We had so much fun.
Alright. See Brian all the way over there. I don't think you can see him. Oh well. Cliff jumping.
You're not down?
I might be down.
20 footers, right?
No, I'm not down.